Let's make feta. Feta is an excellent starting point for your adventures into hard cheese making, as it is the easiest of the hard curd cheeses to make. Although the texture of feta may be quite soft, it is technically a hard curd cheese, and uses the same basic techniques as the more advanced hard cheeses. Feta can also be aged in a regular refrigerator, and can be eaten just days after being made. Let's gather our ingredients. You will need 4 liters of full cream milk, 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of calcium chloride diluted in 1/4 cup of non-chlorinated water, 1 dose of mesophilic hard curd cheese culture. Our 100-liter culture packs will give 25 doses, suitable for 4 liters of milk. 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet diluted in 1/4 cup of non-chlorinated water, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of cheese salt. You will need the following specialized equipment: a large stainless steel pot, a second pot to put the first into, to act as a water jacket, a cheese thermometer, a stainless steel 1-piece perforated spoon, a stainless steel 1-piece curd knife, a stainless steel 1-piece ladle, a large stainless steel or enamel colander, a tight leaf cheese making cloth, a piece of string, and somewhere to hang your cheese to drain. We are ready to make feta. Sterilize your equipment by rinsing with boiling water. Place your milk into the smaller pot, and then place this pot into the second pot of water. This acts as a water jacket. Add the calcium chloride solution and mix in. Heat the milk slowly to 30 degrees Celsius, using indirect heat. Add the mesophilic hard curd cheese culture, and mix in well. Leave to incubate for 1 hour, maintaining the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. Add the rennet solution, and stir in gently, using an up and down motion for 1 minute to ensure that the rennet is evenly distributed. Allow to rest undisturbed for 1 hour, maintaining the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. Check for a clean break, looking for a clean split, like this. If the curd is not firm enough, leave for another 5 minutes and check again. Be patient, and wait for a clean break. This may take as little as an hour, or as long as an hour and a half. Once the curd is firm enough, and gives a clean break, cut the curd into 1.5 centimeter cubes, as best as you can, like this. Rest for 10 minutes, maintaining the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. Gently stir the curds for 20 minutes using a perforated or slotted spoon, being careful not to break the curds down too much. While stirring, lift the curds at the bottom to check for any clumping. Cut any large clumps with the side of the spoon, all the while maintaining the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. Gently ladle the curds into a colander, lined with your cloth, and allow to drain for a few minutes. Tie the corners of the cloth together to form a bag, and hang to drain for 5 to 6 hours. The curds will knit together into a solid mass. Untie the bag, and cut the curds into cubes 2.5 centimeters square. Place the cubes into a box with a draining rack in the bottom, and sprinkle the cubes with 1 or 2 tablespoons of cheese salt. Store in the refrigerator and allow to age for 3 to 4 days before eating. These directions can be used with cow's milk and makes a soft, moist Danish-style feta cheese. Please see our website for more information about making a dry or crumbly style feta cheese.